kids, here we go. We get to play the song Handbells, part 1 and part 2. Okay, let's get our left hand going here. All right. Finger numbers. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Let's switch to the right hand. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2. Okay, repeat. We're going to count the measures now. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can repeat it and sing the words. Okay? Bells are ringing, sweet and clear. Ding dong, ding dong. Right hand. Happy sounds for all to hear. Ding dong, ding. Repeat. Second verse. Left hand. Merry music fills the air. Loud. Ding dong, ding dong. Right hand. Joyful songs are everywhere. Ding dong, ding. End of song. Congratulations, you made it through. If you have any problems, please start again and you'll get it. I know you will. All right. See you when we have to play the duet. Okay.